holiday, 1st of May, Labor Day in Sweden, so that's why I have some time to get a couple of movies made. This is something I've been working on and trying out. When I make prototypes, I don't make it out of any high-end materials, really. Reason being to keep the cost down. I tend to have a lot of ideas and wouldn't be feasible to make them out of high-end materials. What is this? I saw a video from Andrew Ulfrush that he made on a tool roll he made, and it's very traditional, and tool rolls are great for compartmentally to organize his stuff. And so I made one, but with a twist. Can't help myself. This, as other tool rolls, has compartments. So what I have in it isn't that difficult. So as I said, you have your compartments. Fire starting, cutting tool, sharpening. It's of course a lot easier to handle it on the ground. Maybe your water filtration, all the small stuff that you want to have organized. So what you can do with it is throw it around your waist like a the advantage of having a fine fabric sash or tool belt to your body, so you can obviously get this stuff. There will be Velcro on it in the future to hold it down. But as it presses against your body, it is pretty snug. Then you can loosen it up. Wear it as a banderole around your body. And you can swing it forward, get your stuff pretty easily. That's where the Velcro comes in place to hold the lid down. As there is no tension on it, it can easily open. And roll or small gear organizer. Instead of having a lot of small bags that you have to stuff in a rucksack in order to have it, you can have it in a tool roll in one spot. And to me it's a great thing, and I want to thank Ulfrush for sharing his idea. So, thank you. folder. I know I said I was going to make one, but it took some time to get going on it, and I'm glad I waited, because I got a couple of new ideas in there. So compact kit can go in your bag again, and you have all your essentials. I choose a red color before, because if I lose it I want to be able to find it pretty easily. It is not waterproof, but if I need to waterproof stuff, I'll waterproof it individually. That's the tool world. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support and comments, and see you on the next one. Bye.